Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mark and My Vlogs. For today's food vlogging, ito guys, nagluluto ako ng chicken feet. Yes. Yan. Super sarap nito guys. And lalagyan natin to ng pineapple tidbits. Yan. Upgrade natin yung ating adobong chicken feet. Malapit na maluto. Ayan guys, okay na. Mangan!